Hello dear students. So today we are going to study magnetic field due to a toroidal solenoid. So already we have discussed solenoid. Now we are going to study toroidal solenoid. A solenoid bent in the form of a closed ring is called a toroidal solenoid. So it has uniform magnetic field. It has uniform magnetic field inside, and while it is zero at this particular point at the center and outside this toroidal solenoid. So we will discuss now magnetic field at these 3 points. First point is in the interior point, exterior point, and inside this closed ring. So you can see the diagram here. I have made the diagram. A solenoid bent in the form of a closed ring is called a toroidal solenoid. The magnetic field has a constant magnitude everywhere inside the toroid, while it is zero in the, we can say, interior point and exterior point. This is the sectional view of the toroidal solenoid. The direction of magnetic field is clockwise as per the right hand thumb rule. By using the right hand thumb rule, if this is the direction of current, then finger shows the direction of magnetic field. This is the current magnetic field lines. This is the current magnetic field. So these circles having magnetic field lines inside, and they all are uniform, as we have studied in solenoid case. Like you can see the diagram. This is a solenoid. So when current is passing to this solenoid, then we have observed that inside the solenoid magnetic field lines are uniform, and outside this solenoid magnetic field is zero, approaching to zero. We can say it is considered to be zero. It is not actually zero, but it is considered to be zero. And on this surface, at this surface here, perpendicular to the magnetic field lines coming from the north pole and south pole, magnetic field lines are weak as compared to the center of the solenoid. So this solenoid, when it is made like a ring, then this becomes a toroidal solenoid. So we will find out magnetic field at this particular point. We can say at the center of this closed loop, outside and inside this ring. Ampere's circuitry law, we will find out the magnetic field at these 3 points. So from Ampere's circuitry law, magnetic field at the center is zero, because Ampere law states that magnetic field lines due to a closed circuit is equal to mu naught times the current enclosed by this loop. So you can see here there is no current, because this is Amperian loop. Amperian loop. We will consider this is Amperian loop. So in this loop there is no current. If there is no current, then magnetic field will be zero. If we will find out the integration of this dl, then it will be 2 pi r, circumference of the circle. But there is no need to find it, because if the current, there is no current, then it will be automatically zero, because current is moving to this circle. So there will be no magnetic field lines, as we have already discussed in solenoid case. So this is zero. Magnetic field is 0 Tesla, because the unit of magnetic field is Tesla. And if we will discuss second point, magnetic field at point P2 at the center of this toroidal solenoid, then magnetic field lines will be uniform. You can see this diagram. These are very close, large number of turns are there. Current is moving to these wires. So from this point, current means, we can say you use your right hand, then this circle represent the uniform magnetic field lines. These are the uniform magnetic field lines coming to this circle, and these are field lines are tangent to the circle. Everywhere it is tangent to the circle. So these are the small current elements, we can say, and the direction of the current element is same as that of the magnetic field lines. That's why we can write here that from Ampere's circuitry law, integration of closed integration of BDL is equal to mu naught I. So B dot DL means A dot B, AB cos of theta, A dot B, you can use the formula A dot B vector is equal to AB cos of theta, and theta will be here 0 degree. Theta is 0 degree because you see here this is a direction of, this is a straight wire and current is moving into this direction, then magnetic field lines will be produced like this. Then magnetic field lines will be tangent to the circle. Everywhere it is tangent to the circle. So if this is a small element, let us, this is a dl, the direction of dl is parallel to the magnetic field. Magnetic field lines, they are moving to this direction like this. Magnetic field lines are moving this way, and let us, this is a straight wire. So direction of this current element is, current element means current is moving to this wire. So small area becomes a current element. Element and magnetic field lines are parallel to each other. Therefore, angle between parallel line is 0. Therefore, theta is 0 degree. So you can see from this formula, BDL cos of theta is equal to mu naught Ni. If there are large number of turns, then we can write here N, number of turns. Large number of turns we can say, because this is small element 1, number 2, 3, 4, large number of small elements are there through which the current is passing. So this is mu naught Ni. So magnetic field lines are, already we have discussed here that magnetic field lines are uniform, so they are constant, so the V is taken outside, and integration of dl, integration of dl means we will add all these small elements dl1, dl2, dl3, so this is dl, so that is equal to 2 pi r, that is the length, that is equal to mu naught Ni, and this is B, value of V is equal to mu naught Ni by 2 pi r. So we can write here n by 2 pi r is small n. Number of turns, we can write here number of turns per unit length. So what is length here? So you can write n by 2 pi r, the radius r. So this is B is equal to mu naught Ni. So this is the magnetic field at the center of the loop. So magnetic field lines are here uniform. Now we will discuss magnetic field at exterior point. This point is, let us, P3. You can see magnetic field at point P3, that is, now you see here, you can see the direction of magnetic field lines and direction of current. So this is the direction of current and fingers showing the direction of magnetic field lines. Magnetic field lines, here you can see magnetic field lines are moving this way. So at this point, point P3, magnetic field will be 0, because you can see here, if you will see from this diagram, this is a solenoid and it is moving to this direction, this is the current direction. So current is coming this way, current is coming in the direction of magnetic, in the direction of fingers. So you can see outside. So here we can mark here, already we have discussed. So current, it is going outside, then it is represented by dot, and when it is coming inside means then we will represent by cross sign. So you can see here current is coming to this wire, means यहाँ से करंट जो है वो इस लाइन से यहाँ तक आ रहा है, ऐसे करंट के करंट आ रहा है, तो यहाँ से आ रहा है तो डॉट लगेगा, यहाँ पे जा रहा है करंट अंदर जा रहा है तो दैट इज क्रॉस, यहाँ पे डॉट और यहाँ पे क्रॉस से हम मार्क करेंगे। तो जितना करंट अंदर आ रहा है उतना ही करंट बाहर जा रहा है, जितना करंट अंदर आ रहा है उतना करंट बाहर जा रहा है। तो यहाँ पे आप देख रहे हैं कि यहाँ पे कोई मैग्नेटिक फील्ड प्रोड्यूस नहीं होगी, इसलिए आप लिख सकते हैं कि बाय यूजिंग द एम्पियर सर्किट लॉ BDL इज इक्वल टू म्यू नॉट Ni I enclosed, enclosed means current enclosed by this loop. So magnetic field will be 0 because there is no current, therefore total magnetic field will be 0. Means अगर इसमें और हम सपोज करिए this current is I2 and this one current is I1, the total current is that is I1 minus I2. जो करंट अंदर आ रहा है उसको हम पॉजिटिव ले लेते हैं, जो करंट बाहर जा रहा है उसको नेगेटिव ले लेते हैं। तो जितना करंट इस वायर में अंदर आ रहा है उतना करंट बाहर जा रहा है। यू कैन सी दिस टोरॉइडल सोलिनॉइड, जितना करंट इस वायर से अंदर आ रहा है ऐसे करके, तो यहाँ पे डॉट लगेगा और यहाँ पे क्रॉस लगेगा। तो यहाँ से करंट आया और अंदर एंटर हो गया और फिर से बाहर निकला, अंदर हो गया, तो क्या हुआ, ऐसा लूप बनेगा। तो ये करंट इससे बाहर नहीं जा रहा है, तो बाहर नहीं जा रहा है, तो इस पॉइंट के ऊपर जो होगा आपके पास मैग्नेटिक फील्ड जीरो हो जाएगी, क्योंकि देयर इज नो करंट, बिकॉज जितना करंट एक बार अंदर आ रहा है एक बार बाहर जा रहा है। तो हम यहाँ पे बता सकते हैं, जैसे इसी डायग्राम में हम देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ पे हुआ क्या, ईच टर्न ऑफ द सोलिनॉइड पासिस ट्वाइस थ्रू द एरिया एनक्लोज बाय द एम्पीरियन लूप नंबर 3, जो हमने लूप नंबर 3 डिस्कस किया। फॉर ईच टर्न द करंट कमिंग आउट ऑफ द plane of paper is cancelled by the current going into the plane of paper. So I am repeating again, for each turn the current coming out of the plane of paper is cancelled by the current going into the plane of paper, hence current value of current is 0, therefore magnetic field will be 0, because this current is 0, therefore total magnetic field will be 0. So means it is a endless solenoid, endless solenoid. Suppose और भी एक और बात आप देख सकते हैं कि अगर किसी होलो ऑब्जेक्ट में इसको अगर रैप नहीं करते हैं वायर को, तो आप ऐसे एयर में भी इसको रैप कर सकते हैं। सो एयर इज ऑल्सो ए बैड कंडक्टर, इंसुलेटर। तो हमने डिस्कस किया कि यहाँ पे मैग्नेटिक फील्ड जीरो होगी, सेंटर में मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस यूनिफॉर्म होगी, और उसके बाद मैग्नेटिक फील्ड ऑल्सो जीरो। तो हमने ये प्रूव कर दी। यहाँ भी हमने एम्पीरियन लूप लिया, फिर हमने प्रूव कर दिया कि देयर इज नो करंट, देयरफॉर द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इज जीरो। फिर हमने ये डिस्कस किया कि इट इज एट ए रेडियस ऑफ आर, एम्पीरियन लूप ले लिया हमने सेंटर में, इन दोनों सरफेस के बीच में। तो हमने ये बता दिया कि यहाँ पे यूनिफॉर्म मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस हैं। उसके बाद तीसरा पॉइंट लिया हमने बाहर, इसके बाहर। तो वहाँ भी हमने देखा कि करंट जितना अंदर आ रहा है उतना बाहर जा रहा है, तो करंट 2 बार अंदर बाहर आ रहा है, तो इसलिए वो कैंसिल हो गया करंट आपके पास, तो इसलिए कोई मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस यहाँ पे प्रोड्यूस नहीं होगी। एक और बात देखिए हमने कि जो करंट अंदर एंटर कर रहा है सरफेस, यहाँ पे देखिए, यहाँ पे जो करंट एंटर कर रहा है वो प्लस लिया हमने, जो करंट बाहर जा रहा है वो माइनस लिया। आप इसको प्लस ले सकते हैं, इसको माइनस ले सकते हैं। तो जितना करंट बाहर जा रहा है उतना करंट अंदर आ रहा है, इसलिए टोटल करंट इज जीरो, देयरफॉर द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड विल बी जीरो आउटसाइड दिस टोरॉइडल सोलिनॉइड। सो दिस वाज अबाउट द एप्लीकेशन ऑफ एम्पियर सर्किटेड लॉ। So thank you students, keep watching my coming videos.